Hey Anna, what a beautiful morning.
Hi, John. Yes, the sun is shining and the sky is so clear.
I didn't even need a jacket today. It feels warm.
It's much better than yesterday. It was so windy.
Yes, the wind was very strong. My umbrella broke.
Oh no. I stayed inside most of the day. I don't like windy weather.
Same here. But today is perfect. Around 22 degrees, I think.
That sounds about right. Do you know the forecast for later?
I checked this morning. It should stay sunny all day.
Nice. I might go for a walk later.
Great idea. I walked to the park before breakfast today. It was quiet and fresh.
That sounds lovely. I like early mornings. The air is usually cool.
Yeah, it's cool, but not cold. Just perfect.
I love this kind of weather. Sunny but not too hot.
Exactly. Summer can get too hot for me. I prefer spring.
Spring is my favorite too. The flowers, the light wind, and the sun. It's perfect.
How do you feel about fall?
I like the colors, but I don't enjoy the cold rain.
The rain can be annoying, especially when it's cold and wet.
And the days get so short. I miss the sun.
Me too. I get sleepy when the weather is gray.
Same here. When the sun comes back, I feel full of energy.
Do you like winter?
Sometimes. Snow is beautiful, but I don't like icy roads.
Snow is nice to look at, but only from inside with a hot drink.
And warm socks.
Exactly. I remember one day last winter. It snowed all night and we woke up to everything white.
That sounds magical. I wish we had more snowy days like that.
These days, winter is more rain than snow.
Do you think it will snow this year?
Maybe, if it gets cold enough in January.
We'll see. I like snow, but I don't like shoveling it.
Same here. It's heavy and cold.
Let's sit here on this bench for a few minutes. The sun feels nice.
Good idea. I love feeling the sun on my face after cold days.
It makes a big difference. I feel more awake today.
Do you think the weather affects your mood?
Definitely. Rainy days make me want to stay in bed.
I know that feeling. But sunny days like this make everything feel easier.
Yes. Even doing boring things feels better when it's sunny.
Do you check the weather every day?
Almost every day. It helps me choose what to wear.
I always check if I need a jacket or an umbrella.
Do you ever forget it?
Sometimes. And of course, those are the days it rains.
Always. That's why I keep a small umbrella in my bag.
Smart. I should do that too.
Do you want to grab a coffee? There's a small cafe just around the corner.
Sure, let's go.
Feels good to sit outside. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah, outdoor tables are nice when the weather is like this.
In summer, it's too hot for me to sit in the sun.
Same here. I prefer shade in the summer.
Do you enjoy rainy days?
Only when I can stay at home with a book or a movie.
I like it when it's raining at night. It helps me sleep.
Yes, the sound of rain on the window is relaxing.
But walking in heavy rain? No, thanks.
Only with boots and a good coat.
What kind of weather do you like for traveling?
Sunny but cool. Around 20 degrees. Good for walking all day.
Yes, not too hot and not too cold. Easy to pack for, too.
Exactly. And no rain, ideally.
Of course. But I've learned to always bring a rain jacket just in case.
That's a good habit. The weather can change fast, especially in the mountains.
Oh, yes. 1 hour it's sunny, the next it's cloudy and raining.
That happened to me on a hike once. Totally unprepared.
That happened to me, too. I got soaked. Never again without a jacket.
Do you like hot weather?
Not really. I get tired quickly in the heat.
I feel slow when it's over 30 degrees.
Ice cream helps, though.
And cold drinks.
Let's plan something for the weekend. What's the forecast?
Let me check. Saturday will be sunny and 25 degrees.
Perfect. Maybe we can go for a walk by the river.
Yes, we can bring some snacks and sit in the shade.
Sounds great. By the way, what is the forecast for Sunday?
Cloudy with a chance of rain in the afternoon.
Then Saturday is the best day to be outside.
Agreed. Let's enjoy the sunshine while we can.
Yes. The weather changes so quickly this time of year.
It really does. One day it's summer, the next it feels like fall.
But today is lovely. I'm happy we're outside.
Me too. Good coffee, good weather, and good company.
Couldn't ask for more.
Wow, this was a great conversation.
Yes, it was. If you want to practice more real life English, subscribe to the channel. And let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.